So, if you look here on your homework, this is your homework, I'm just doing problem number 1. All the other ones are set up or follow the same kind of structure as this one. So once I help you with this one, hopefully you won't have an issue completing the rest. So problem number 1, the first thing, it says how much lead hydroxide is formed. Well, we have two different amounts of our reactants. We have lead nitrate here, and we have sodium hydroxide here. So first thing we got to do is figure out how much we can produce of each of these. So first we're going to start with our 133.484 grams of PbNO3 2, and then we've got to figure out the mass to mass conversion from that to our product, which is going to be this lead hydroxide here. Okay. So first step I need to do is divide by the molar mass. I got this by adding up the masses on the periodic table. 3, 2, and we know that's for 1 mole of PbNO3 2. Now my next step is to look at the molar ratio. So the molar ratio of PbNO3 2 to PbOH, or the molar ratio of lead 2 nitrate to lead 2 hydroxide, is 1 to 1. So we have 1 mole of PbNO3 2 and 1 mole of lead Pb hydroxide OH 2. So now my next step is to figure out the mass of the hydroxide I have left, because at this point I've now canceled out here, I've canceled this out here, canceled my moles here, and now I need to go from moles to grams. So in 1 mole of PbOH 2, we have 241 grams, and again I just got this 0.21 grams, and again I just got this off of the periodic table by adding up the masses. So once I multiply through there, I will get 97.2152 grams of PbOH2. So that's how much I would get if I had 133.48 grams of lead nitrate, lead 2 nitrate. That's what I would get. But I also have to look at the sodium I have, right? This is if I had lead nitrate and plenty of sodium hydroxide. Well, now let's see with sodium hydroxide what we've got. So sodium hydroxide's mass is 45.010 grams, and that's of, let me just get that down, and that's of this one right here, NaOH. So NaOH, and my first step is to get this into moles, and it's going to be a 3-step again because we're going mass to mass. So my first step is to get this into moles, so I need to divide by the molar mass. The molar mass is 39.997 grams of NaOH. It's okay if you use a slightly different number. If you went ahead and round it up to 40, you'll still get pretty much the same answer. So now I need to look at the molar ratio. Well, based on my balanced equation, the molar ratio of reactant to product is 2 to 1. So I now put 2 moles of NaOH on the bottom. And remember, the reason I want to do this is because I want all these extra things to cancel out, just like these did up here. And